Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can create Instagram QR code. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, if we want to create QR code on Instagram, we have to go to our profile. So we can click on this profile button, and here we just need to click on share profile. Okay, click on this option, and this is my Instagram QR code. And with this QR code, if there is someone who wants to follow us on Instagram, we don't need to type our username. We just need to give them our QR code so they can scan this QR code, and our Instagram profile will be automatically opened. If we want to scan QR code, we just need to click on this icon on the top right, and we can use this Instagram camera to scan the QR code. And this is emoji QR code. We can change the emoji. You can click on the emoji like this, and you can select the emoji that you want. Oops. And we can also change the style of the QR code. If you want to change the style, if you don't want to use the emoji QR code, you can click on this option. And this is for the selfie QR code, and this is for the color style. And if you want to change the color, you just need to tap on the screen like this, and you can take a screenshot of it. Then you can share it to your friends who wants to follow you on Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can create Instagram QR code. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.